Hey there folks, Chuck here, and I got a little box in the mail from Pete over at Old Man Diecast, and this is actually a trade for some commission work, but I figured it would be fun to open on camera anyway, and give Pete a little love over at his channel. It's relatively new, and he does some really nice tutorial videos and some pig hunt videos, and his stuff is getting a lot of traction, so probably doesn't need my help, but figured why not give him a shout out. So anyway, I made some decals for him, and in exchange he gave me some bodies to work with, because I've got wheels and he's got bodies, so I'm putting them together. Got the Hot Wheels Falcon XB. I've already done one of these. You can see that in the little thing up at the corner. This is a fun one. This is that Fast and Furious fantasy car that looks kind of Dodge-ish, but still very cool. This is the Lamborghini Aventador from Hot Wheels. Very fun. Oh, this is cool. This is the Hot Wheels funny car. I think it's based on a 7123 Mustang. I think it's 73 based on the bumpers. This is a fun one. This is that Matchbox 4-wheel drive Mustang. Hot Wheels, a Nissan 300. Ford GT. It's a Matchbox. Is this the GT or the GT40? I think this is the GT40. Yeah, it's the old one. Mustang. Hot Wheels. And the Bugatti Veyron. No, Chiron. Chiron? Looks like Chiron. And I worked in television, so I'm going to say Chiron. So, it's so nice to have all these ones already drilled out. Mustang LX from Matchbox. This is a great casting. It's good to have more of these. Got lensed headlights. What we got? This is the Shelby GT500 2020. Very cool. Well, this is the custom auto, based on the old Hot Wheels drawings from the old Redline days on the cards. Another Falcon XB. This one's gotten nicked, but that's okay. I love junkyard cars. 68 Dodge Dart. Very cool. Corvette? No, Aston Martin. The Vulcan. Corvette. What was I thinking? It's got some cool seats in there. So, let's see. Another Mustang. Mustang GT 2018 model. Another one of those Fast and Furious cars. I have a feeling he did what I did and saw slotted mags and nabbed those, because yeah, they came with slotted mag wheels, which is nice. Roger Dodger. That engine is very tempting. So, and the Magic 8 Ball Roger Dodger. And the 2017 GTR, yeah, R35. So, thank you, Pete. Appreciate it. Your decals will be in the mail soon. I am getting my new printer in, so as soon as it gets in, you'll get your decals. As always, I want to thank everyone for coming along with me for the ride. So, until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.